Good morning, and we're starting this vlog off like this. If y'all didn't see that, that's free breakfast at Cracker Barrel. Choose the Cracker Barrel near you, and the grandma sampler is free, y'all. That comes with pancakes, scramble, hash brown casserole. Probably ain't gonna eat all of it, but I can feed my neighbor with it. Let's get ready to hit the streets. Okay, on top of getting ready to hit the streets for the day, y'all, me being a pink manager, I got so much clothing I have not worn. So I'm going to break out some of these fits. I think like hell they too big though, but y'all, let's hit the streets. So on freebies, part 1, well, this was yesterday. This is the gift that I choose for my birthday gift from Sephora, so I don't have to go there today. So we got that out the way. And I am dressed, ready to hit the door. Every time I sit down and say, I'm going to just do a little something to my face, a little something, and turn into concealer, then set the concealer, then 2-color on the eye. But y'all catch me drift. We got to go pick up our free food first from Cracker Barrel, and then from there, I don't quite know where we going at, but just know coupons and everything almost free. In the description box, I'm going to put where y'all should be signing up for your birthday for all these freebies. So in Cracker Barrel, picking up my order, this would be the section I end up at. This brand right here, I will say, never heard of them, but their cold roll on these are amazing, y'all. So let me tell y'all what happened. Cracker Barrel is so busy with these free grandma samplers. I'm going to set mine for 6:30 to come back. Luckily, the lady shops at Bath & Body Works. She was like, hey, girl. I was like, okay, let me go run the rest of my errands, and I'll pick this up later. The breakfast won't be for dinner. But then that cancels out Texas Roadhouse for birthday dinner, Jersey Mike's free sub. Y'all, it's so much free food on the list today, I can't even eat all of it. Okay, on stop 2, it's my birthday, y'all. Starbucks. Let me get my free drink. I'll tell y'all what I got when I come out of here. Here's what I got for almost $9, y'all. This is the iced pistachio latte, all blonde shots. Add toffee nut and toffee nut to the cold foam. I got a quad. I mean, $9 on your birthday, you gotta go big. It was free, so let's go. Okay, third stop on the Savings Express, we at Walgreens. This is not the one I wanted to come to, y'all, but I'm just gonna do 2 transactions here of some tissue with those $5 rewards from off of yesterday's vlog. And the good thing about me being a beauty girl, I love their eyelashes, so I'm gonna flip my rewards. Okay, the waterfall scent is on clearance. I think I'm gonna get 2 of these and use the $5 reward, making my out-of-pocket $1.19 for 2. You can't beat that. And this is what I came for. These come to $3.75 a pack, so I'm gonna put 2 of these on 1 transaction. This is not bad. These cheaper detergents, this is what I use for my bathroom rugs and my shower curtain. A little bit in some hot mop water. Yes, don't mind if I do. So with the 2 detergents, I needed to make my total $5. Listen, shopping clearance and coupons. Y'all know my out-of-pocket's gonna be almost nothing down there. $2.85 with the digital coupon attached to it and the $5 coupon. So it did not attach.
No, this worked. $1.25, but there's no.
So what should have took 10 minutes, took longer. Y'all know I know everybody around here. Okay, so this is another freebie, y'all. Listen, Chick-Fil-A, I could get an 8-count nugget, but see that date? That's good till the 25th. And a free dessert of choice. This one is good till the 3rd. I think I'm going to pass on this and hold this because this is in the mall where I work. By the time I leave this side, y'all, Jersey Mike's, Cracker Barrel, Krispy Kreme, Texas Roadhouse, that's just going to be way too much. See, a strategic shopper. Scratch it out. Those nuggets could come in clutch one day on top of a salad for me. So I think I'm going to hold off on this one. And let's head to the next store. So up next, CVS. See, I have a $4. And then they did this. For your birthday, another 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. That's $7. I'm going to go in here. Y'all, I'm at this particular one on the other side of town for a reason, y'all. So even in 2022, it's like to access deeper shades for black women, you got to go to the black side of town. Like, that literally makes no sense. But I don't know if y'all can tell, but with me being into makeup, I do a lot of faux faces out of drugstores. So I want to capitalize off the $7. So that's why it pays to shop, right? I did want these, which will put my out of pocket like about $2, but I need more setting spray. So why not get this at $10.99? Take the $7 off. I've spent $10. Get back $5. Can't get no better than that. And also, so how they got the big deals like spend such and such get 7. I don't have all of my Clairol Maybelline coupons, so I'm not doing heavy makeup shopping, but I'm also not picking up random things. I'm getting what I use, stuff that I know that works, and this works. Holding on your makeup under your mask so your makeup don't rub off. This is good. They have a big selection of LA Girl Pro at this one too, but again, I ain't come for all that. We just on our freebie-ish. That was hella fast. They're super friendly at that store. So 4, 5, 6, 7, $7.25 came off. I paid $3.25 for my setting spray, but I got back $5. Yeah, I made $2. This is the kind of strategic shopping that I be bragging about. Okay, where am I? We at, this is what, store 4 or 3? I can't keep up. DSW. They sent me $5 for a birthday reward, so I did a pickup. Y'all, look at this gray. I needed a gray crossbody anyway for something, and this is cute. So if it's $9.98, I'm going to take $5 off of that, and y'all guessed it. That's my price. I love this. So originally I wanted to go into the store and use the $5 and pay like $1 out of pocket for some cute little passport holders. But this code was good online only, so that's why I'm gonna do the crossbody. But $4.98 with tax, not bad, not bad. Reading is fundamental. Couponing 101, always read. If I would have opened that through the app versus through the email, I got a barcode to use in store, so let me go in store. So this is what I mean when I said they have the cutest little odds and ends for like the Lolo. Now, rose gold, y'all know I love rose gold. Like these travel kits, these are nice. This is nice. Even these. But I saw something else, y'all. This little mini tripod. This would be so cute while traveling. And it's only $9. A little pro tip while shopping at DSW. Always check clearance. Always check clearance. DSW is one of the only stores where your coupons work on clearance and your coupons are stackable. For instance, if I had that 30 off of 50, I could still use my $5 birthday reward with that, taking a total of $35 off, y'all. I rack up in this area throughout the year. And sometimes I'll even shop early. Let me show you what I mean. Like, check these boots. Like, my sister loves shoes like that. That's $99.98, right? That's a purple tag. That's 40% off. So when you look at the 40% of $99, that's going to be $59. But if I had my coupons or the ones that's coming up, so basically if they're going to cost $60 and I have $30 off plus another $5, that's $35 off of $60. I would then get that right now and then stash that away in my quote-unquote my Christmas closet. That's how I shop. And I want y'all to get into that habit too, where there's a will, there's a way, and where there's a way, there's a pay. I cringe when I hear people say, I can't afford to feed my family. Once you start couponing, yes, you can. I'm showing y'all how you can walk out the grocery store with family packs of chicken thighs, where, I mean, it might not be steak, but you got in the South, we always stick by a starch, a vegetable, and a protein. Fold the plate, cover the plate. You can feed your family. Trust me on this. Get it together.
All right, it's $5.34.
Can't beat that for that. Let's hope it's worth it though, but it can't be no worse than the ones 5 and below carry. I route like this for a reason. So up next, y'all, look, Krispy Kreme. What's our offer? Dun, 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 a birthday gift for you. Okay, enjoy a birthday treat on us. A free original glazed dozen. Y'all, that's a whole doggone dozen. I'm gonna get 2 boxes and split this up between my neighbors. And it's really just that simple, y'all. Just sign up with them emails and phone numbers and birthdays and all that, but we ain't done now. I don't know what stop we on, but I am at Panera. Now, Panera bread, their almond croissant with my coffee in the morning, I love, love, love. I can tolerate that even after surgery. So that's why I got the donut breakdown in boxes, because the donuts would be too sweet for me. So this gonna be for me. All right, you can't never go wrong with a classic blueberry muffin. Not too sweet. It is what it is. This is lunch tomorrow. I'm plotting. So Jersey Mike's, look, I got a free regular sub and 72 points for a regular, and then 8 points towards the next. So I'm gonna order curbside because I'm already right here. Sandwich, that'll be cool.
No problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the points for it.
Okay. All right, y'all. That's a whole giant foot-long sub. I had him cut it in 4s. Headed on home to feed everybody for my birthday. All right, as y'all can see, I had breakfast for dinner. Y'all, that's scrambled eggs, that's bacon, that's ham, hash browns, pancakes. They give. Okay, you all, I'm back in the house. This is oh my God, this is a lot of food. Yeah, we gonna get, let's see what that is. Y'all, look what Cynthia sent me. Thank you, girl. My store, we didn't get it Candle Day, and I wanted it. And she sent me one. But y'all, look at all this. And then y'all know there's some I still did not pick up. But let's get into this food because it smells so good and I'm hungry. So the sampler platter came with ham, sausage, hash brown, eggs, and bacon, and an order of pancakes. Y'all look at this. And I got double orders, so yes. Birthday wrap up and a day full of freebies was amazing. As y'all can see, the coupon community, we will eat, y'all. We gonna eat. We gonna keep gas in our car and a little bit of change, a little bit of coin in our pocket. But again, it's cold out there, and my autistic neighbor, I don't want him out there, so let me go make this do what it do. And I thank y'all for rocking with me on this little birthday vlog. I'm not a normal vlogger, but I kind of like doing this. I'm gonna see y'all later.